Hi, this get is called find the stray number. What we get is a function and it takes a list as an argument. And what we have to do is to return the one single different integer from the list. Of course, we have several methods to accomplish this, but let me showcase one of these methods. Here we are. First of all, we can iterate through the list. So for integer in array and print the integers. And what I want to use here is the so-called count method. First of all, you have the list. Then you use the count method on it, dot count. And as an argument, you pass in whatever you want to count. In our case, we want to know how many instances of an integer are in the string. So we put in integer. And as you see, there are 6 ones in the list and one single 2. So we have to use this as a condition. If there is only one integer in the list, then we return the integer. Simple as that. Let's test it out. Works like a charm. Hope this has been informative and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.